Hello my beloved fellas and good time zone. My name is Cyan and it's nice to meet you. I am a tailor slash fashion designer and I welcome you to this new YouTube channel. Here on my channel you will get brief touch-ons on my work and also separate step-by-step guides. I am more than less new to cosplay. This new project starts from zero to finish, and with it let's wrap things up and get started. My first cosplay is going to be Milio, the Gentle Flame, a champion from League of Legends. My goal is to perform in the beginner cosplay contest in the Swiss Comic Con Fantasy Basel, a convention for movies, gaming, cosplay and comic. The convention will be from the 9th to 11th May. And the beginner cosplay contest will be on the first day. So we have a deadline going on here. Oh boy. Anyways, let's begin. First thing you wanna do is research. Know your character. Look at their bio, stories, personality.
Hey, I'm Milio, and these are my amigos!
And how they act, especially if your plan is to go to a convention. When you show up at a convention with a cosplay, people will approach you, maybe even ask you for a photo, learn poses, and even learn a little how to act as this character. Staying in character isn't only fun for you, but also the others. But no, let's look at Milio. Milio is a warm-hearted boy from Ixtal, who has, despite his young age, mastered the fire axiom and discovered something new: soothing fire. He carries around his furnacita as a backpack and within it his fumigos with whom he fights and heals. By the way, I won't do the backpack for now, but I might do some fumigos plushies. I mean, look at them, don't you wish to hug one? That would be fun. With Milio, the good thing is that I don't need a wig because I have the perfect hair for Milio, and well, let's say I'm also pretty short.
Oh my gosh, Kiana! You're so short in person!
Oh, I'm shorter than Kiana! Anyways, back to research. Get as many references for your character as you can. For example, look at the splash art. Here for Milio I even went so far that I looked at the concept art to also get an understanding of what the artist had in mind with the concept of Milio. Just get all the references like front view, back view, side view. Heck, if you have the option to look at the 3D model, do it. You even can look at other cosplayers too. That's gonna be helpful big time. After you gather everything, you can move on to the next step. Analyze. Look at everything you gathered, pick up every little detail you can see and see what you need. Take notes and write everything down. Here with Milio you can see he has an underskirt, a poncho with trinkets on it, shorts, a belt and sandals. Really take in every little detail you can see. And what I mean by that, here for example, look at the poncho. You actually can see that this part isn't connected to the main part of the poncho, or the shorts look like it's double layered. Really just note everything you see, every detail, because you will need it for the next step. And with it, the next step, sketching, designing and planning out. Draw your variation of the outfit. Keep in mind that you have to create this. Think about how you are going to do it. How will you make this costume, and especially how you make this costume wearable. Here you can see my brown variation, but more on that in the next video. But for now, guys, stop telling yourself you're going to do a cosplay one day. Just do it. Start now. You gotta start somewhere. And I told myself for months and months, hey, I will eventually do cosplay, and I never started. And well, now I'm here. I started. And guys, really, to all the people that wanna start cosplaying, just do it. Thank you for watching. I wish you a good time zone, and here are some bloopers. My goal is to perform in the beginner My goal is to perform in the beginner cosplay contest in Fantasy Bubble.
Sprachen lernen, Bubble.
My goal is to perform in the beginner cosplay content. My goal is to be...